So we are looking at the question answers in HTML hypertext markup language. The first one is fill in the blanks. Dash list can be numerical or alphabetical in specific order. So this is ordered list, ordered list. Each list item should start with dash tag. So li tag, and this has to be ended also. You can create table in HTML by using table tag, table tag, table tag. Dash tag is used to create table row, whereas dash tag is used to create data cells. So tr is used for table row and td is for table data. Space between cells is cell spacing. Dash is the distance between cell border and the cell content. So if this is the cell border, this is the content. What is the space? Dash is called the cell padding. This is called the cell padding. True and false. We use table border to change the color of border. No. Table border is used to give the size of the table border, but color can be changed by table bg color. Background is to give image in the background. Yes. href equal to lotus.html, where a is standing for the anchor tag. This is correct. href attribute is used to set URL of the page. This is absolutely correct. This is hypertext or hyperlink reference. td tag is used to create table row. No. tr is used to create table row. Short answer question. What is list in HTML? List in HTML is to show the content or the sentences or the word in a proper sequence. That can be ordered sequence, that can be unordered sequence, that can be definition list. OL for ordered list, UL for unordered list, DF for definition list. So what are the type of list in HTML? Ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. Give one difference between ordered list and unordered list. In ordered list, the list will be in the form of 1, 2, 3. There will be content, or it can be A, B, C. It can be 1, 2, 3, and you can even start with some default value. Say 5. You can start 5, 6, 7 like this. What is unordered list? The unordered list will have, say, circle or disc or square in front, not the numbers. There will be no proper ordering. Numbers will not be there. What is cell padding? Cell padding means if you have say a cell, in this you have a content written. So the distance between the border and the content is the cell padding. Give one difference between row span and col span. So col span, if this is your say table, and if you want to combine these two columns, so you go for col span. If you want to combine, say, these three column, right? So this three column, this is you are spanning the rows. So 1, 2, 3 rows. So you have to go to row span. What is cell spacing? Cell spacing is this. This is the cell and this is the cell. So what is the distance between these two cells? It is the cell spacing. What is the use of a tag in HTML? Give syntax. A tag is used for the anchoring or actual navigation or reference. So you do like this, A, then you give href, then you give the URL like this, and you have to end A also. Whatever you write in between, if you click it, it will take you to this URL. List 4 attributes of a tag. A tag has one attribute as href. Then you have width and height you can give. You can give the link. So a link, v link, this is active link, this is visited link, right? These are various attributes. What are the types of hyperlink? Hyperlink can be, as I said, a link, active link, visited link. These are type of hyperlinks, because whenever you go to a web page, you click something, but before you click, it will be saying some blue color. When you click it, it will be some orange color, because you change the color. Once you are visited, the color will be changed. So active link and link. This is the types of hyperlink. Identify the code error given below. So mg source equal to mypage.html. Now either you have to use a image here, sort say some dot jpg or png, or you have to change this img. This has to be anchor, because anchor can have source as, or this is not source also, this has to be href. This src has to be href, and then it goes to this page. So it can be image. If you are giving image, you have to give an image here. If you are making it as it to go to some HTML, so you have to take a in this place and href at this place. So these were a few more questions on HTML. Thank you so much and take care of yourself.